To keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Jenny's Ransom. Welcome back to another Plan With Me video. And as you can see, we're starting off with something different already. So I decided in February that I am a little bored with my layouts already. Well, I shouldn't say that. I wanted to change it up from doing like a already pre-laid out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, already pre-laid out weekly paper, and I wanted to do something more freestyle. So last year during Valentine's Day, the Happy Planner released a Happy Heart box, and it also included this this notebook in a classic size, and it just was filled with this grid dot paper, and then some cute dividers. These are really nice. So I decided that I wanted to do more of a journal style planner. Well, I don't know if it's going to be really journal. I'm not sure yet. But I wanted to decorate a couple of pages. So I pulled out a few sheets, and I think I want to try to stick to it for the month of February. We'll see. We'll see how this first one comes out. So I'm going to be using the LaFleur sticker book, which I love, and I'm going to link it below. If it's an Amazon link, it will be an affiliate link. If you want me to get a couple of pennies, go ahead and click the link if you choose to purchase this book. I'll also be using the washi and the LaFleur decor as well. This was such a cute washi pack. I love it. And then you're just gonna need your typical tools, some whiteout, some scissors, some tweezers, the usual. Anyway, this is going to be a watch me work style video. I kind of know what I want it to look like already, but I just want y'all to watch me work. So without further ado, let's get started.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all away, take it away. Feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
Okay, gang, here it is. Oh my God, this came out so pretty. Just exactly as I wanted it. Oh my goodness, there's space for the scriptures each day. So I just put Monday through Friday on here. I didn't need the weekend, so that eliminated some space, some unnecessary space. I don't like this space in here. Y'all, I could continue putting stickers on and on and on in here. Just gonna put this little dragonfly in here to close out that space. Anyway, so yeah, just the 5 days a week of scripture. And then over here, I have a space for sermon notes. My nail polish kind of stained that, which is a little upsetting, but it's okay. And I should have whited out that heart behind there, but it's not that big a deal. So I just have a space here for sermon notes, a space here for I guess the Bible verses that they mention in the sermon as usual. I like to make a note of that. My prayers for the week, and then that is it. And I just put some encouraging words like find your bliss, good days ahead, life blooms out of a hopeful heart. I love that. Create something beautiful every day. Keep it simple, which I clearly did. I mean, it is simple, but it's, oh my God, this is so pretty. All right, let me just get it into my planner. Oh my goodness, very pretty. Put my flower as usual. This came out way better than expected. I'm so excited to use this week. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, drop me a comment. Y'all already know what to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
But I'm not gonna wake up, I'm not ready.